Na chinga kicho omwanjo omorigereri ase omoyigo yonyaraka kwareganirwa ase ebunge yanyaribali masaba omugani omonene ase chinsemechio nigarenge muwasiri w'ekisemi omosike Julius Migosi Ogamba oyonyaraka gakokwana amange kobwamano asanyaraka gakwereria amabolia igoro ya ogakore kikanyata kwekanika chinsemo cha Nakuru kebwatranti aborokigwa abeskuru ya Butere Girls asanyaraka bagatenga gwikira bonaiga oboteneri w'eskuru eyo ya Butere igobanyaraka bakwemukerigwa egetambukero kieli chiko nabo igo nigo anyaraka bagakoteba muna eserikali kosetali baga lia serikali korwania ebyegwa byabarokigwa muna gutumanya mulikito podcast okara
gago kwana amona bali kyamangana aso omoyego yuboigo Mwaziri Ogamba nigaganiria abana b'ekisukuru gotabwatanirwamo na gesiasa anene ase chigosori chyo kwegya nigaganiria abalimu kwegwa libagale litangani aso kubohorokereria abana igoro y'ekigosori ekiga.
The content of the play was altered along the way. That's how at the regional level it was not allowed to proceed. But when they went to court, the court allowed them to present the original, not the altered. Please read the court order. There's a paragraph there. It says the students are allowed to present their original play at the nationals.
Ogamba boigo nigo alire iranga nachikunyara kobaga kwenekia obwasyo ku ase sekta y'ekisemi asatebere buna nigo abalimu babonete kwegwali bagali litangani na koroiserigwa libagali giya ase ogukina kisemi meyense ase boigo haigerere gasagukyo mu gusinga tikeriko ibeli matemu na boigo koganya okubwatanigwa kwa ababwatani bonse ase kisemi eri gukinya sekta y'ekisemi
abalimu tuganjira nanga ase serikali yeye ntutagete balimu ntutagete principals bagende street etutagete baberarari ekiagara na bali most important kulinda abana baitekera kirasi tubwate challenge ya capitation because chibes chirijigo cherero twagambira na treasury na ndenda kugamba na borobo nonye this Wednesday I had a meeting with them kwa boli mwari gwanja capitation negende school before tarehe na taraika one day they are working on it.
Waigo Ogamba nigalire iranga amaganionsi abalimu bagendere ko babakobenga anene ewizara y'ekisemi nachikunyara ko baga ko yali bagali litangani unenchire yemo yokogorra sekta y'ekisemi imeyense jiga ya Kenya.
It is a three-legged stool. Education is a three-legged stool. Tubwata balimu, tubwata abana, tubwata na parents asibona serikali koliteki irime. So together tutakola tiamo to improve the results of the education that we are supposed to do in Kenya. So we are doing everything possible, and believe me, we will spend sleepless nights to align the problems in our sector. It is not normal that you have somebody who graduated in 2010 not getting employed. Ekera epolisirenga umowasa kuemploy koliboriwa kwetma mapema. So there is a problem of implementation, and we are going to work with TSC to clean that section. I promise you we are going to have that cleaned.
Gingo ripoti ligetaseni kya ubwanjete kya Getembe kurogaiga ase skuru ya beseka ya Ichuni inje ni gongoro kwa Polycarp Okara.